Good day, everyone, especially to our professor, Dr. Claire Macabalang. My name is Evangeline Cicerak from Tupi, South Cotabato. Our topic is all about some approaches to curriculum planning. And this is my assigned topic about the issues of curriculum planning. My group mates are Ma'am Hani El Ado, Ma'am Clarissa Piquinilog, and Ma'am Fritzel May V. Prudente. First, we tackle about what is curriculum. Refers to the entire set of learning experiences that students encounter within educational settings. The curriculum also can be seen as a comprehensive roadmap for students' growth and development. Consider that the backbone of education is curriculum. Without curriculum, the education is useless. Now, this is my main topic, the curriculum planning. Curriculum planning is the process of designing and organizing the educational experiences that students will encounter in their educational issues. First, we tackle if what is involved in curriculum planning. First is the settings goals, establishing objectives and expectation for the curriculum. Second one is the selecting content, choosing what topics to cover and how to organize them. Next one is developing assessments, creating ways to evaluate student learning. Next, choosing instructional methods, selecting strategies for teaching the material. Next one is considering student needs, taking into account the needs and learning styles of the students. And who is involved in curriculum planning? Of course, first, the curriculum designers create the curriculum, including the subject matter, methods, and assessments. Second, the teachers. The teachers develop the lesson plans and activities and ensures